Hello and welcome back to day 10 of Antigravity series. And in today's video, let's see how can antigravity help us fix the issues found using TestSprite. Because in the last video, we did testing using TestSprite and there were a few issues that we found. So let's go ahead and fix those issues. So as we could see, this was the previous testing that was done and we have 2 failed, 3 pass and 1 blocked. Okay. So failed is export is blocked when a line item amount is blank or non-numeric. So it allowed to export and that's why it shows as failed. Guest creates an invoice with live preview and downloads PDF. Okay, so the guest invoice editor could not be reached because the site forces sign in when attempting to start the editor. Okay. So let's quickly go back and see if Antigravity is able to fetch these test cases because the old conversation that we had is no longer available here, right? I mean, of course, if we go to history, then we could find it, but I want to see if it is able to fetch it. Using TestSprite MCP, could you fetch the details of our previous testing and the results? Right, so let me just hit enter and let's wait for it. So you can see here that it has gone to invoice gen TestSprite tests. Okay, so that is this one over here. So it is able to fetch this, right? So we can see here it has fetched the results for 6 test cases. 2 of them have failed, 3 of them have passed and 1 is blocked. So I'll ask, based on the testing and the results, could you please fix the issues so that these test cases can pass when we test it the next time. The beauty, as you can see, is we don't have to understand what exactly went wrong or what has failed, why it has failed, right? We can just go to Antigravity, tell it to analyze the test cases, what is the result, and if it has failed, why it has failed, and fix it. Let's see if this magic actually works. Okay, so because we were in planning mode, it has analyzed everything and it has given us the implementation plan. So if I click on this one, it opens up. It is telling us what are the proposed changes. Okay, like index.html, what needs to be modified, okay, in app.js and verification plan, automated tests, manual verification and all of that. So I will just say, go ahead. It's like, go ahead, continue. We have seen that we're getting these issues a lot of late, but clicking on retry multiple times is actually working. I'm not sure if it's a bug from Antigravity or it's system configuration or internet. So not really sure why that issue is coming. So if you also keep getting the issue, probably just click on retry a couple of times. If that does not work, then leave a gap of like 30 minutes and then retry again. It should work. That's what we have done whenever something like that happens. One more thing to note is that as soon as there is any change in any of the files, you will get this particular thing like 2 files with changes, reject all or accept all and so on and so forth. But unless and until you see that this is done, okay, you will not see a red button here which is meant to stop. If we don't see it, that means it has done its job and now we can actually click on accept all. Okay, there is no harm in accepting it in between, just that you will have to click on accept all multiple times. Okay, so let's see, the fixes have been successfully implemented. Here's what I changed. So it has added some logic here. I will not do anything. I'll just say, could you please test the exact same test cases performed before and fetch the results. Okay, very simple prompt. Let's wait and see if all the 6 test cases will pass this time. Okay, it started running command npm start, right? It's performing a few things to get the testing done and we don't have to really wonder what's happening. Okay, retry, and you can see here that the test testing has started. Instead of 7, it went with 9 now. Maybe because it has done some couple of changes, it added couple of more. Okay, we're getting some issues. Your local application is not running. It came back. Okay, it's doing something here. So I'll just make it as half screen so we can see both of them together. Model quota reached. Okay, so let me go to Gemini 3 Flash and let me just say continue, please. You can see here this red icon, which means the agent is running, and we could ask it to stop if we feel that whatever it is doing right now is not needed. Okay, the first one is passed. TC003 is passed. Continue without signing in to reach the invoice editor. Okay, which means the guest mode. That is working fine. Let's go here, close it. We go here. Maybe I'll click on sign out. Okay, while that's happening, we could also test it out from our side. Sign in. Okay, no, we don't have the option of guest here. Try free maybe? Yes. Try free allows you to edit your create your invoice without signing in. Right. So I'll just go back. Strange, I don't have a back button. Reset invoice. Okay, strange. No worries. Let's see. Okay. TC009, which is auth model, shows validation errors for malformed credentials. That is also passed. TC005, email password submission leads to invoice editor, which also is passed. TC002, export is blocked when a line item amount is blank or non-numeric. This particular one had failed last time, but it has passed this time, which means Antigravity has actually resolved this issue. Let's wait for the remaining 5 and see what happens. So we can see here this is having some issue right now, but this is progressing. So we've got one more, which is optional subject and description can be left empty without breaking preview. Right? TC008. This is also passed now. 4 more to go. So this testing is happening on TestSprite and is independent from this one once the testing is initiated. Okay, so once this is done, I will go back and click on retry. One more is done. Meanwhile, that was, or 2 more. Okay, 3 more. We'll just wait for this to finish and then, okay, this is still blocked. Multiple line items updates total automatically. It's still blocked. Let's see why it is blocked. So this is done. This is done. Email password submission is done. Correcting an invalid amount enables successful export. Okay, so that is done. Then continue without signing in to reach the invoice editor is done. Export is blocked when line item amount is blank or non-numeric is done. Guest creates an invoice with live preview and downloads PDF. That is also done. Totals and preview stay consistent after editing and removing line items. So where is that? That went here and that is also passed. The only thing that has been blocked is this one. Let's go there. I'll make it a full screen. I'll just click on got it. Let's play this. Okay, for some reason, the invoice editor could not be reached. The app did not open the editor from the landing page and the direct editor route returned a 404. Okay, let's go back and just mention, so I'll not click on retry now, just dismiss this and say there was one test case that was blocked. Could you please check what went wrong and fix? So since we have seen that it has resolved multiple other cases, I think it should be able to resolve this as well. I'll click on retry. Let's see what happens. TC007. Let's quickly check. Yes, that's exactly the one which is blocked. Okay, refining the authentication flow. Okay, so it has given us the new implementation plan. Okay, fix for blocked test cases. Test case TC007. Okay, and I'll click on accept all. No, not yet. So it is yet to be finished. So let's wait for it to finish and then click on accept all. Again, issue, retry. You can see here that it has edited auth.js and it initially edited index.html as well. So 2 files have been edited and you can see that it is fixed. the issue. Let's click on accept all and let's ask just test the TC007 and see if it's performing as intended. So I have asked it to just perform one test case right now. Let's see if it is able to perform just that. So while it's doing, let's open the new page and there's 0 tests. Let's wait. This I'm going to close for now. It'll probably add a test case directly. Let's wait. You can see here TestSprite frontend test plan.json. It has analyzed, initiating test strategy. Okay, let me make it as multi-screen so we can see both. I'll click on retry. Okay, so it's saying that it is doing it manually, and you can see here it has opened a new browser, localhost 3000, and it's actually doing a manual testing right now. So it's hands-free mode. So for some reason, every time we initiate the conversation, it has some issue with Python, but that's okay. It is resolving it by itself. So you can see here it has started the test case that we wanted, which is TC007. Let's wait and see what happens. It's in progress right now. Now, while it has initiated the testing on TestSprite, it is asking whether we want it to verify via the manual browser verification. Okay, we wouldn't go there. We can do it ourselves if needed, or you can also ask Antigravity to do it if you are feeling lazy. But let's wait for this and see what happens. Because the beauty is, if you just want to verify, you can just open it up. Once it is done, you can actually watch the recording. So, oh, but wait, multiple line items update total automatically. Is that the one which failed? Yes, that's the one which failed. So let's wait. It's still in progress. And there you go. It has finally fixed this issue. And if I open it up, got it. Let's play this. So it actually works. So the beauty is you can actually check it out. All right. You can watch the recording and see if what we wanted is what it has done or not. So that's how you can get the issues resolved with just simple language prompting on Antigravity. You see, we have not understood the code. We have not understood what's happening in the background. We have just asked it what we want it to do, and it is performing exactly that. I hope you are enjoying the series. We are down with 10 days of Antigravity, and we still have 5 more days to go. So stay tuned. Next week, we will take it further and see what else can we do with Antigravity. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.